Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Colfax, North Carolina. We are by appointment only. You can reach me at 828-773-4500. And if you guys don't mind, if you'll like my YouTube channel, Carolina Trailer Sales on YouTube, we're trying to hit 1,000 likes on our YouTube page, or subscriptions, excuse me. All right guys, so what I've got here is a 2017 Hoosier is the brand. This is a Bandit, their Outlaw series. I'm not exactly sure on their series, but that's what this one is. If you're familiar with Hoosiers, this is a Bandit Outlaw series. So this is a 10-foot with a slide, 3-horse. It does have a hay rack, a water tank on top. So it does have an extra water tank on top, ladder. Does have mangers, storage, 2 manger doors, escape door. It does have a flip-up step here at the escape door. Gray in color with black, I guess, accents. Real pretty trailer, real pretty to look at. Let me walk around here to the front. It does have a nice enclosed front. I'm not going to open that front at this point. It'll be in the pictures, but it does have your spare under there, hydraulic jack, your 2 propane tanks, and your battery. So under that enclosed front is all those items. Excuse me. It does have a stainless nose. So again, 10-foot LQ with a slide. Now, I'm going to point out a few things. This trailer, I'm just going to tell you the story. It was kind of peppered by the lawnmower with gravel. So it does have some, I call them characteristic dings. So, got one up here. This side's not as bad as the other side, but I definitely want to disclose that it's got some dings on both sides of the trailer. They were due to a little bit of a lawnmower accident. Nothing earth-shattering, just some cosmetic damage I want to disclose. It does have aluminum wheels. So this is an 8 wide. I believe this trailer is 7'8" tall. It's 7'6", all of 7'6", and potentially 7'8". It's very tall and roomy. So the rear tack, I'm not going to do this now, you guys. It's in the pictures, but the blanket bar and the saddle rack do swing out and lock. Someone's put a nice, I guess, brush organizer on the door. Brush box. Excuse me. So collapsible rear tack. So this trailer has a rumber floor. Rumber floor, no mats. That would be basically their rubber planks. You do not use mats in this trailer. I mean, you could, but again, this is a rumber floor. This trailer does have an LED light strip all the way around. Let me just switch that on. There you go. So it does have a light strip all the way around. Does have a lower divider, padded dividers. Again, this trailer is definitely 7'8" tall. Does have a walk-through door. Does have an, as I stated before, an escape door. Drop windows on the head side. Does have sliders on the rear. This is fully lined and insulated, and actually does have what they call a fantastic fan in the horse box. So I guess if you wanted to keep dogs back here, you've got a fan already actually mounted on the roof of the horse box. So let me show you the mangers in this trailer. So it does have mangers. Again, padded dividers. Pretty nice trailer. Everything is in excellent shape. It's been minimally used. Okay, so that's the horse box. You kind of step back. Again, hay rack, hay ladder. Does have a power awning. All right, so I'm just gonna step in the LQ. Sorry for bobbling around, guys, today. All right, so slide box is out. It's got 2 drawers underneath the couch. Couch does fold out and make a bed. Cabinets above the slide box. This has a nice hanging closet here. We put the table here. Actually a little drawer here, and then another cabinet space, great for boots or whatnot there. So flush floor slide. So there is no step up here at the slide. That is a flush floor style slide box. This trailer does have a TV in it. It does have the DVD radio all in one combo here. There are cabinets behind the 2 mirrors in the bed area. So this does have microwave, 2-burner glass top stove, double sinks, and they've got the nice countertop covers so you can make that extra counter space. It does have a big fridge, some storage above that big fridge. Bathroom is very big and roomy. Does have cabinets behind the toilet. Sink and vanity. And this is, I need to measure this, but I'm pretty sure this is a 36 round shower. This is a really big 1-piece fiberglass shower. And it is very big. So I think this is the biggest that you can actually get in a horse trailer. I think this is a 36 round. If it's not 36, it's definitely 32. Walk through door, towel bars. It also has a fantastic fan in the bathroom. So I'm just going to kind of step back, give you just one more view of the whole interior of the trailer. Looks like, yeah, inside, outside speakers. I did see the speakers on the outside. So really nice trailer, great size, a good bit of room. Okay, so just gonna step back out. All right, just to review, 2017 Hoosier 3-horse, 10-foot with a slide, hay rack, water tank. Oh, I did want to point out the little lawnmower issue on this side of this trailer. So we've got some dings. You know how I want to most point out anything that I see on the trailer. So this side's a little bit worse than the other side. You'll be able to kind of see the doors got a place as well. So you'll be able to kind of see, I hope, in the pictures. I mean, again, it's minimal. It's not bad. It's, at a distance, you really can't see those things, but I want to at least point them out. Okay, guys, Carolina Trailer Sales, CarolinaTrailerSales.com. I hope you guys have a great day.